How to disable email new messages notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email new messages notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find library. Click on it and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications. Now just scroll down until you find this one here. Just if you want to disable it, just click on it, and as you see, new messages notifications have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.